And Winfrey Owino at the All Saints Cathedral, Nairobi.
The nation is united in grief tonight following the passing of Kalou MP David Njuguna Kiaraho, known affectionately as Daddy wa Power. Kiaraho's influence stretched far and beyond the floor of the National Assembly. From Nyandarua to Nairobi, tributes continue to pour in as leaders recall a man whose influence shaped his constituency and whose vision left an indelible mark on his community. Vera Mura with the details.
Kenya's political landscape is dimmer tonight. This as the political fraternity mourns the death of Kalou Member of Parliament David Njuguna Kiaraho, popularly known as Daddy wa Power, for his generosity and mentorship. Kiaraho passed away early Sunday morning while receiving treatment at the Nairobi hospital. His death was formally announced by National Assembly Speaker Moses Wetangula, who described him as a diligent legislator who served with distinction on the Transport and Infrastructure Committee. President William Ruto led the nation in mourning, describing David Njuguna Kiaraho as a humble and visionary leader whose guiding philosophy of work-first, politics later set him apart in public service. Nyandarua Governor Kiari Badilisha expressed deep sorrow at the loss, noting that Kiaraho's leadership had brought tangible progress to the region.
We all feel the pain, and I want to tell the people of Kalou that we are with you and the family of the late David Njuguna. May God give you strength at this very difficult, trying moment.
First elected in 2013 on a Jubilee ticket, Kiaraho was a seasoned veteran serving his third term on a Jubilee party ticket. Over the years, he earned respect across the political divide for his commitment to development and his role in shaping the careers of younger leaders. Born in 1963, Kiaraho trained as an architect at the University of Nairobi before venturing into politics. His professional background informs his contribution to infrastructure and development projects, both locally and nationally.
Kama ni barabara, kama ni stima, kama ni mashule, yeye anakuwa anafanya kazi vile inatakikana, na alikuwa na maono ya Kalou. So maombi yetu kwa serikali ni miradi ambayo Njuguna wa Kiaraho alikuwa ameanza. Kama hivi vile mwenzangu amesema hapo, ati mambo ya barabara ya kutoka pale Kabazi kwa Kiongo kuelekea Kabazi imalizike. Na mashule ambao alikuwa ameanza kama Nyakembi, Matunda, Githima, Nyadudo, Gituamba na hata Mirangini na CCM. Silikuwa kuna mjengo ilikuwa inaendelea. Agarao serikali iingilie kati.
As tributes continue to pour in, funeral arrangements are being conducted by a parliamentary committee, with further details expected in the coming days. Vera Mura, KTN.
Now from Standard Group, we say poleni sana.